Who is that guy? My name is Bert van Gent. I passed the age of 60 and I love to explore the outdoors. My motto is to explore and enjoy the ride of life. I'd like to take you along and maybe inspire you for some outdoor adventures. I like to hop on my BMW and explore the area. In this case, that was Norway. Exploring the beautiful nature and enjoying the back roads. See also the associated playlist in the description. Winter sport is another favorite. Skiing and especially snowboarding. Explore the slopes and take in the magnificent surroundings. Check out the winter sport link below. Exploring bike routes to me is training the body and relaxing the mind. There are lots of wonderful routes around Almere, Muiden and Weesp. Check out the link below. I can enjoy the old medieval villages in southern France, or more specifically the Drôme area. With my Osmo action cameras and my little drone, I take you guys along in my explorations. The link below will get you there.